Ever wonder how leading healthcare platforms help people understand their symptoms quickly without overwhelming them? In this tutorial, we'll explore how symptom checkers help healthcare brands deliver clear, reliable guidance to users. Here's how it works. This is a symptom checker by Mayo Clinic. It guides users through a series of simple, relevant questions like choose the symptoms, whether for a child or an adult. Select all the relevant factors such as the type of pain, its location, what triggers or worsens it, what relieves it, and any accompanying symptoms. Based on your inputs, the tool then presents the most likely possible causes. This kind of experience does more than just inform. It reduces anxiety, increases engagement, and builds credibility by offering guidance when users need it the most. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. We'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate a symptom checker. For example, you can prompt it with something like, create a symptom checker that evaluates common symptoms and suggests possible conditions. Within seconds, the AI generates a complete interactive experience, including relevant questions, logic flows, and outcome suggestions based on user inputs. It will then ask if the setup looks good or if you'd like to make changes. And you can also choose a symbol for your symptom checker. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Go to the Overall Design section to personalize your symptom checker by uploading your logo, adjusting colors, updating fonts, and adding clean, healthcare-friendly visuals. Now take a look at the questions added by the AI assistant, such as, what is your age range? What is your gender? Select the symptoms you are experiencing. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms? Do you have any pre-existing conditions? And more. You can easily edit, rearrange, or add more questions based on your use case. Now, focus on the results screen. This is where the real value comes in. Create multiple outcomes based on symptom combinations and use conditional messaging to provide tailored guidance. This transforms your symptom checker into a smart, supportive assistant that empowers users with actionable insights. Once you're ready, click on Go Live. You can share the link or embed it directly on your website or healthcare portal. And that's how you turn a simple symptom checker into a powerful engagement and trust-building tool with Outgrow. Now it's your turn to help people understand their health and take the right next steps with confidence. Ready to get started? Start your 7-day free trial today.